Multiply 2.75 by 2.5 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor, 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Put 5 in this column and carry 2. 5 times 7 plus the carried 2 is 37. Put 7 in this column and carry 3. 5 times 2 plus the carried 3 is 13. The first partial product is 1,375. Now use the next digit to the left, 2. Start one place to the left. 2 times 5 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 7 plus the carried 1 is 15. Put 5 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 2 plus the carried 1 is 5. The second partial product is 5,500. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 5 plus 0 is 5. In the tens column, 7 plus 0 is 7. In the hundreds column, 3 plus 5 is 8. In the thousands column, 1 plus 5 is 6. The product of the whole numbers is 6,875. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 3 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 3 decimal places. Place the decimal point 3 places from the right. 6,875 becomes 6.875. So 2.75 times 2.5 is 6.875.